Hi guys, another day in Fernwood, Mississippi. Trying to get out of here soon. Hi guys, it's another day here in Mississippi. Today I plan on doing the vinyl flooring, at least buying it from Lowe's. I have three choices. You can see them here. Boom, boom, and boom. I don't know what I'm gonna get just yet, but what I'm gonna do is at least buy something because I really want to get the electrical done again. The house that I'm staying at is haunted. I've said this before. I've stayed here before. I lived here 8 months. I've had 4 ghost occurrences at this house. The day before yesterday, I was going to sleep. There were people in the house that were just shuffling about and stuff, but when I went to go to sleep, I heard voices coming from the next bedroom where no one vacates. The person who owns the house was in the house too, and he said other people have heard those voices. I have never heard the voices before, so now this is the 5th occurrence that I've had in this house. But last night, I could swear it wasn't the cat because I thought the cat was next to me. I heard a door shut, not once, but twice. It's scaring the heck out of me some nights. I tried drinking through it. I tried a lot of things, but today we're gonna have those vinyl floors in here. I have a mattress already, so all it is building a bed on top of the new vinyl floor. I'm so excited for this. Let's go. Friday I had that accident with my van, and the solar panels seem to be secure right now to do driving around and stuff like that, but my shoulder still hurts right now. I'm probably pain level 6 right now, and I have limited mobility, but it's getting better. Yesterday it was about pain level 9, I would say, and I couldn't even sleep on it. So it's gotten better, but that's what's making my journey slow right now, because I do have pain in my extremities, because I tried to jump into the van to stop it and stuff like that, but everything seems okay right now. And let's just go to Lowe's. Right on. Hey, look, I'm at Lowe's again. So I'm standing here in Lowe's, and as you can see, there's nobody in sight around here. And I'm by the vinyl cutting machine here, and I see all the vinyl there behind it, and I also see this. This is really becoming a problem. I don't know if I have to drive out to Brookhaven, which is 30 minutes away, to go to Home Depot. And I didn't even look up their prices for vinyl flooring. I'm sure it's cheaper, but this flooring looked reasonable. I only had to spend like $60 on flooring here. And it's easier. I don't have to square up anything. And obviously over bumps, I have so many reasons why this is better right now to get this. Let's see if we can find somebody. I talked to one employee who said they have no idea. So I'm gonna talk to a manager. Well, I've had a lot of more excitement when this day started. So I think the best thing to do is go back to the house, research some things on the internet, see if they have the flooring in stock, and then drive up to Brookhaven later today. I don't know. I don't want to wait all day. No one's in the house. So I'm just here to my own devices, and the next thing I need to do is flooring so I can do other things. So I just got home. Well, the place I'm staying at right now. And I looked at the Home Depot site. There's one favorite that I liked right here, but you could see it's out of stock right now. That sucks. So now I have a choice between this one, and this one. I think I might go for the one that looks more like a cherry wood or something like that. I wanted the one that looked like grayish because it would match the seats in the front. But then I was figuring When I start building stuff up, it's going to be wood. So maybe I should get more of a wood color instead of the gray stuff. So now we're going to drive to Brookhaven, which is about a half an hour from here, or 25 minutes from Lowe's. It sucks that I have to drive that far, and hopefully their vinyl cutting machine works, because that was the biggest bummer. Like, I've done so many trips to Lowe's, and I always have a problem. It's either with their stock, or it's with their products, or now it's just with their abilities. So I think I'm gonna boycott Lowe's. And I'm just gonna have to go to the local hardware shop, or I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot. Already when I'm inside, I found exactly where I need to go. Home Depot is so much better than Lowe's. And as I see, their machine is in order. But we'll try to see what kind of floor we want, because here's their sheet vinyls that they have in stock. I might go for that redwood. It's pretty cheap, and it's a wood color. So I got the flooring, you can see right here. It was only $43 and change, I guess, somewhere around there. And it's 60 feet of flooring, which is good. I did have a sample, but he took the sample back from me, unfortunately. Probably not on purpose, you know, I could probably have got another one. But it doesn't matter, I got the flooring. I'm sure it's enough. I hope it's enough. It's probably enough. And now I'm gonna head back to the house. I don't know if I'm gonna do the flooring today because the weather is just weird. We'll see how it goes for the rest of the day. If I don't do the flooring, maybe I'll do some more window covers, because I don't have full window coverage on my back windows or the side windows where my cargo doors are, you know, the side cargo doors. Now, the reason why this window's out, because since they're so large, the window covers actually bow in the humidity and they'll just pop out themselves. So better yet, I'm gonna take some black Plasti Dip in the future. I should have gotten it today. I didn't even think about it while I was in there, but I'll take the Plasti Dip and I'll paint the inside of the window so it looks full black tint on the outside. So I'm sitting here under the awning here with Black Kitty. Black Kitty likes to stay by my feet. You want to say hi, Black Kitty? Say meow. Meow. Yeah, that was Black Kitty. And I think I'm quitting for the day because I can't really do anything while it's pouring wet here. Even if I try to make the window covers, I have to make them outside. I'm running in and out, and it's foam board inside. And that's gonna get all wet, and it's gonna get all flexible and stuff like that, but who cares? Most important thing is you like my videos, you subscribe to my videos, and you can comment and tell me that I'm crazy. All right? I'll have more for you in the next one.